If you've ever moved offices, changed your specialty, or joined a new group, and then had claims start getting denied for no clear reason, there's a good chance the problem isn't your billing, it's your NPPES record. Today I'm giving you a complete rundown of NPPES. We'll cover what it is, why it matters for payers, how to update it step by step, and everything you need to know about taxonomy codes. If you're new here, I'm Jessie, and I help people navigate provider enrollment and credentialing. Let's get into it. Part 1. What is NPPES? NPPES stands for the National Plan and Provider Enumeration System. It's the CMS database where every individual provider and healthcare organization in the U.S. gets their NPI, their National Provider Identifier. Think of NPPES as the master record of who you are as a provider. Your name, address, licenses, specialty, and taxonomy all live here. Here's the important part. NPPES is the source record, but it doesn't automatically sync anywhere else. Updating NPPES does not automatically update Medicare, Medicaid, or any commercial payer. Each needs to be updated independently. NPPES is step 1, not the whole picture. Keeping this record accurate is the foundation of your enrollment. Part 2, why keeping NPPES updated actually matters. This is where a lot of denials quietly come from. Payer systems continuously validate your taxonomy and demographic data against what's on file in NPPES and PECOS. If there's a mismatch, even something small, like an old suite number, claims can get flagged, delayed, or denied immediately. CMS also enforces a 30-day rule. Anytime certain information changes, you're required to update NPPES within 30 days. That includes practice address changes, legal name changes, and adding or updating state licenses. Also update for taxonomy or specialty changes and any organizational changes for your group NPES. By the time someone traces it back to NPPES, they've usually lost real revenue chasing the wrong problem. By the time someone traces it back to NPPES, they've usually lost real revenue chasing the wrong problem. Part 3, taxonomy codes, what they are and why they're a big deal. This is how you tell payers your specialty. It's a standardized code maintained by the NUCC that classifies your provider type, classification, and specialization. Payers use this code for claims classification and routing. If it's wrong, claims can get sent down the wrong path entirely. A few things people get wrong: you can have multiple taxonomy codes, but only one is your primary for claims processing. If you practice in more than one specialty, don't remove the old one. Just add the new one and mark it primary. Taxonomy codes go obsolete. The code set gets updated periodically with new codes added and old ones retired. If you're using a retired code, you need to migrate, or claims using that old code can start bouncing. A mismatched taxonomy between NPPES and your payer files is a very common reason for denials. If you're not sure which code applies, there are taxonomy code lookup and specialty directory tools online. You can search by keyword to find the exact code that matches your specialty perfectly. Part 4, how to actually update your NPPES record, step by step. Let's walk through the process. Go to nppes.cms.hhs.gov and log in using your identity and access credentials. There's a recovery flow if needed. Once logged in, select the correct NPI from your dashboard if you manage more than one for your group. Review your current profile carefully. You want to know exactly what's outdated before you start changing fields. To update your address, go to the address section and update your practice location. Keep it current. Remember, every location on file shows up on your public NPI record, so accuracy here is essential for your public presence. To update your taxonomy, go to the taxonomy section. Here you can add a new code or remove an old one. You can also change which taxonomy is marked as primary. Keep the old one if adding a new specialty. If you're updating your license, make sure the name and license number match your actual state license exactly. The system validates this, and even a small mismatch, like a middle initial, can hold up the whole process. Before submitting, NPPES will show you a summary of every change. Review it carefully for any typos. This is your last chance to catch a typo before it goes live. The whole process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Submit your update. If you have your info ready, it's a very straightforward process that pays off. Critical final step. Once NPPES is updated, you still need to separately notify Medicare, Medicaid, and your commercial payers. NPPES updating does not push automatically to any of them. Don't skip this manual notification step. Part 5, quick recap of why this all matters. NPPES is your master record and taxonomy codes tell payers your specialty. Both need to stay current. Outdated data is a sneaky cause of claim denials and enrollment delays. A 15-minute update today can save you weeks of chasing down a denial 3 months from now. If this helped you understand NPPES better, subscribe. I'm covering the full enrollment process piece by piece. If you haven't seen my video on why CAQH applications get stuck, check that out too. It's a great companion to this guide. Drop a comment. Have you ever had a claim denied because of an outdated NPPES record? I want to hear your story. Your story might even turn into its own video. See you in the next one.